Hey book lovers! Today I'm diving into a book that's been creating waves and whispers in every corner of the literary world. It's called Izinyembezi, Zesilima. Let's unpack why this book is a must-read on your list this year. Now I know what you might be thinking. What on earth does izinyembezi, zesilima mean? Well, it translates to Tears of a Fool in English, and just from the title alone, you can tell you're in for an emotional journey. Written by a brilliant author whose narrative style intertwines sorrow and self-discovery, this book isn't just a story, it's an experience. It explores deep themes of personal growth, the impact of our choices, and the painful beauty of human emotions. Why should you read it? First off, the character development is phenomenal. You'll find yourself growing alongside the protagonists, feeling every bit of their joy, their turmoil, and their resolutions. It's a book that mirrors life, reflecting back at us the complexity of simple choices and the simplicity of complex emotions. Secondly, the writing style. Oh, the writing. It's lyrical, almost poetic. Each sentence is crafted with such care that you can't help but pause now and then just to admire the beauty of the prose. It's the kind of book that demands to be read slowly, savored like a fine wine. And let's talk about the themes. From dealing with loss to confronting our deepest fears, izinyembezi, zesilima challenges the reader to look inward and ask hard questions about love, life, and legacy. It's rare that a book can provide such a profound, reflective space, but this one does it with elegance and grace. So if you're in the mood for a book that's as thought-provoking as it is beautifully written, izinyembezi, zesilima should definitely be on your radar. Trust me, it's not just another book. It's a journey, an experience, a piece of art that stays with you long after you turn the final page. What are you waiting for? Dive into izinyembezi, zesilima and let yourself be swept away by its narrative. Share your thoughts with me once you've read it. I'm eager to hear how it touched you as it did me. Happy reading!